On screen, title card. Narrator, can you really change your Instagram name before 14 days? Let's walk through what's actually possible, step by step, in 60 seconds. Narrator, first, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. On screen recording of the home feed, then tapping the profile icon bottom right. Narrator, tap Edit Profile. Here you'll see two key fields, your name and your username. Zoom in on the Edit Profile screen. Narrator, Instagram's rule, you can change your name only a limited number of times within 14 days. If you hit that limit, you'll see a warning. Show a mock warning under the name field. Narrator, there is currently no official, guaranteed way to bypass this limit. Be careful with any hacks that ask for your password or personal info. Show a red X over sketchy hack headlines. Narrator, but you still have a few safe workarounds to control how your name appears. Let's go through them. Transition to next chapter. Narrator, workaround 1, adjust your bio. Add the new name or variation at the top of your bio so followers see it immediately. Zoom into the bio field being edited. Narrator, workaround 2, use your profile photo. Add your new name as simple text inside your profile picture design. Show a circular photo with added text. Narrator, workaround 3, use story highlights. Create a highlight called new name explaining the change so people recognize you. Show creation of a highlight. Narrator, you can still change your username if it's available and not restricted, even if your name field is temporarily locked. Zoom into username field being edited. Narrator, pro tip, plan your new name carefully before changing it, so you don't hit the limit by experimenting too often. Show a quick planning sketch beside the phone. Narrator, summary, you can't fully override Instagram's 14-day rule, but you can adjust your bio, photo, highlights, and username to show your new identity until the limit resets. On screen, simple recap text bullets.